we has an E92.
Whoa! That's a shiny new car.
Hey guys, we finally got an E92. A lot of you guys were looking forward to seeing a build very similar to the way we did our E36 and E46. So we got a 335.
Wow.
This is an early one, N54. It's got the twin turbos. And yeah, we've been doing some molding and stuff. So all of our front bumpers and rear bumpers, self-centering shifters, strut bars. So it's a template. Give us a comment, give us ideas. What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want us to do with it? You know, obviously we've listened, you know, you guys voted on the LS C36 and we did that, you know, and then it's all kinds of stuff. So let us know what direction you feel like we should go with this. But she's just a run-of-the-mill, you know, 2007. These kind of cars, you can get them anywhere from, depending on the shape, anywhere from like 8,000 to like 18,000. And they're all over the spectrum. You know, late models came with single turbos, and there's pros and cons to both of them. It is a 6-speed, so you know we're gonna be coming out with the DSSRs for it. It's relatively intact and everything like that, so sunroof, all that. I think we're gonna go racing with it. We usually do that. We always say we're not. We always say, oh, we're just gonna do a street build, and it always evolves into some monster. So that's probably what's gonna happen with this, but it's got the usual things, you know, that we can always improve on. We have our bronze pedal bushings, you know, it's got the usual clutch wobble and brake wobble. Brake's actually not as bad as the clutch. The clutch is pretty bad. That's nice. So comment below, let us know what kind of items you guys want to see coming out for the E82, E92, E90, all those generations, and we'll get it done.